What if one morning routine could completely change your discipline, mindset, and entire day? This is not just about waking up early. This is about taking control before the world takes control of you. The first step is not movement, it is mental preparation. Before the day begins, write down what could go wrong and how you will respond with calm. A disciplined body helps create a disciplined mind. Stoics did not wait for motivation, they trained their mind with simple reminders. Your first focused hour decides how the rest of the day will feel. The goal is not a perfect day, the goal is a calm response no matter what happens. After 90 days, this routine did not just change my mornings, it changed my whole life. Before you touch your phone or even sit up in bed, your Stoic morning routine actually starts here, in the first quiet moments of the day. Instead of a stressful alarm message like, "Wake up now," you see a calm reminder, "Prepare, don't react." This is your first cue to think like a Stoic. For the first 3 to 4 minutes, you just lie still, breathe slowly, and admit the truth of the day. There will be stress, distractions, and maybe unfair situations. Silently, you repeat to yourself, "Today, I'll meet distraction, unfairness, and small annoyances. I will remember what's up to me and what's not." Maybe you know there's a tough meeting coming, so you rehearse a calm response in your mind. "I hear you. Let's look at the facts." You quickly scan through a few things that could go wrong today. Traffic, a notification that upsets you, someone else's bad mood, and you accept they might happen. Then, for each one, you attach a calm response. For a traffic jam, you decide, "I'll use that time to breathe and think instead of getting angry." After a few minutes of this quiet mental rehearsal, you gently open your eyes. You're not rushing, you're already prepared. Before your feet even touch the floor, you've already trained your mind, like Marcus Aurelius would. The Stoic morning routine truly starts in your thoughts. Before you move, choose your response, not your reaction. Name one challenge you might meet today and rehearse a calm response. Small wins first. Fill a glass of water and keep the promise to yourself. 5 to 7 minutes of purposeful movement primes your mind and steadied body. Start with 1 minute of long, slow stretches to dissolve tension. Add 2 minutes of dynamic moves, arm circles and hip swings to awaken coordination. 2 minutes of deep belly breaths, then 2 slow squats or a 30-second plank to build gentle tolerance. Every small moment of discomfort is a deposit in your discipline bank. Pair one non-negotiable task like water with the movement so you always finish both. This isn't a workout, it's a ritual that signals readiness for the day's work. For advanced practice, add a 60-second cold exposure to raise presence and grit. Try this 7-minute activation tomorrow and tell me which part surprised you most. Most of us wake up and let the day attack us first, but a Stoic flips that script with one simple habit: morning journaling. Marcus Aurelius used reflection to examine his attachments and expectations, and one of his most powerful tools is negative visualization. The first prompt is simple. Ask yourself, what might go wrong today? And write down just 3 realistic obstacles. For each problem you imagine, write one calm response. You're rehearsing your mindset, not panicking about the future. The second prompt, choose one thing that if you finished it would make today a win. Just one, not 10. Take the example of a flight delay. You can either spiral into frustration or use that time to read, plan, or revise. If you expect a difficult conversation, journaling helps you pre-choose a calmer response instead of exploding in the moment. Limit yourself to 3 obstacles and 1 main priority. Constraints make the practice fast, simple, and actually sustainable. By briefly imagining what could go wrong, you reduce fear, increase gratitude, and walk into the day with a sharper sense of what truly matters. This whole process takes just a few minutes, but it can completely change how you handle the rest of your day. Before you start, decide one task and remove distractions. Put the phone away and set your timer. Create a one-sentence mission. For the next 60 minutes, I will task without checking my phone. Remove distractions and prepare the space, water, earbuds, and a clear work surface. Press Start. That single click commits you to the next block of focused effort. Work on your single priority. Treat distractions like static. Notice them, then let them bounce away. At the first checkpoint, 25 minutes, do a micro-check. Adjust if needed, then return to the mission. If an interruption comes, acknowledge it and preserve your field. Not now, I'm in the Stoic hour. If 60 minutes feels big, start with 25 or 45 and scale up over weeks. When the block ends, mark it done. A short win compounds into steady discipline. The Stoic hour isn't just productive time, it sets the tone for your whole day. One focused hour changes how the next 8 unfold. You ever wake up and feel like the day is already winning? What if the first 30 minutes could make you unshakable, clear-headed, and quietly disciplined? Hey, I'm Vivek. I spend my mornings testing habits, reading Stoic texts, and turning philosophy into routines that actually work. Before you even swing your legs out of bed, spend 2 to 4 quiet minutes setting context. Acknowledge you'll meet irritation, delay, or praise, and that none of it controls your inner judgment. Do a 5 to 7 minute routine focused on breath and tension release. 1 minute full body stretch, 2 minutes dynamic movements, 2 minutes deep diaphragmatic breathing. Spend 4 minutes doing 2 short prompts. What might go wrong today? Write 3 things, then jot 1 calm response to each. 2. What is the one thing that, if done, would make this day a success? Decide a single task for the next 60 minutes, remove all distractions, and set a timer. Begin with a one-sentence mission. For the next 60 minutes, I will task without checking my phone. Choose 3 phrases to repeat in moments of friction. Examples: this is indifferent. Do the next right thing. Control the controllable. Repeat silently when you feel irritation rising. Why this works? It's short enough to be consistent, structured enough to change mindsets, and aligned with Stoic practice of preparing for difficulties and choosing your response. If you're experienced, add a cold shower for 60 seconds after movement. For creative work, begin with 5 minutes of free writing about obstacles. For leaders, use 30 seconds of visualization on how you'll show up. Recap: start by greeting the day with pre-wake reflection. Activate the body with purpose. Practice short negative visualization journaling. Set a focused Stoic hour and carry 3 short Stoic phrases with you. If you found this useful, try the routine for 1 week and tell me what changed in the comments.